Today we're going to paint these beautiful parrots. And by the way, my name is Abraham, and then we need some painting brush, some water, and we need painting clay, and then let's get started. First, we will get this. I'll choose which one? Eeny, miny, ketchup, tiny, mo. Now we get a painting brush. Actually, look that. I'll take this one. No, this one. Yeah. We'll take some white paint. Okay, that's it. Now we get it. Wait, hold on. Now I'll go blue. We'll get that blue. So put it in here. That's it. Really wait there. Done. Really wait. And look, oh yeah, floor. We got white and blue. Yes, we get blue. Oh my gosh. Now the white to blue. But we got that mixing that one. Come on, blue. Let's get it now. I'll do this thing. Like and subscribe first. Well, I'm giving this to my mom because my mom's birthday today, and then we're already finished. And like and subscribe and follow our YouTube channel. Bye. No.